Dear children, today I will teach you history lesson first as a revision, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this lesson, I also taught the Greek struggles and revolution of the rebels 1848. Today I will teach you the making of Germany and Italy. The making of Germany and Italy. Germany can the army be the architect of a nation. Nationalist sentiments. After 1848, nationalist sentiments often were used by conservative to capture state power and have political domination over Europe. In Germany, nationalist feelings were widespread among middle class who in 1848 tried to unite the different regions of the German Confederation into a nation state governed by an elected parliament. Repression. This liberal initiative to nation building was repressed by monarchs and military supported by large landowners, Junkers of Persia. Step towards unification. The first step towards unification of Germany was unconsciously taken by Persia. When Persia established Zollverein in custom union, joined by most German states, Persia took on the leadership of the movement for national unification. Persia's chief minister Otto von Bismarck was the architect of this process with the help of Persia army and bureaucracy. Major events. The major events that occurred at the time of unification of Germany were winning of 7 Years' War, the War of the Austria, Denmark and France, running over 7 years, ended with Persian victory and completed the process of unification. Proclamation in January 1771, the Persian taking William in was proclaimed German emperor in a ceremony held at Versailles. Declaration of German Empire. On 18th century, 1871, an assembly comprising the princes of the German state, representative of the army, important Persian minister including the chief minister Otto von Bismarck, proclaimed the new German empire headed by Kaiser William I of Persia. Declaration of measures to be taken. The new state placed a strong emphasis on modernizing the currency, banking, legal and judicial system in Germany. The Persian measures and practices often become a model for the rest of Germany. Unification of Italy. Italy adhered to unification during the middle of the 19th century. Italy was divided into 7 states. First, out of which only one state, Sardinia-Piedmont, was ruled by Italian princely house. The north was under Austrian Habsburg. Third, the center was ruled by the Pope. Fourth, the southern region were under the dominance of Bourbon kings of Spain. Even the Italian language had many regional and local variations. Now, contribution of famous personalities. Famous personality involved in the unification of Italy were Giuseppe Mazzini. During the 1830s, Giuseppe Mazzini had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italy republic. He formed two underground societies, first Young Italy in Marseille and second Young Europe in War. He believed that God had intended nation to be the natural units of mankind. So Italy could not continue to be a patchwork of small state and kingdom. It had to be forged into a single unified republic within a wider alliance of nations. Metternich gave the description of him as the most dangerous enemy of our social order. Count Camillo di Cavour, the chief minister of Cavour, became the prime minister of the Piedmont from 1852 to 1860 through a tactful diplomatic alliance with the France engineered by Cavour. Sardinia-Piedmont succeeded in defeating the Austria force in 1859. Giuseppe Garibaldi, he was the central figure in the unification of Italy, since personally commanded and fought in many military campaigns that led eventually to the formation of a unified Italy. He is styled the hero of two worlds because of his military enterprises in South America and Europe. In 1833, he met Mazzini and joined the Young Italy movement. He participated in a Republican uprising in Piedmont in 1834. When the uprising was suppressed, unified, Garibaldi went to South America and stayed there till 1848. In 1854, the supported Victor Emmanuel II for his effort to the Italian state. In 1860, he led the famous expedition of the thousands to South Italy with his Red Shirt Army. In 1867, he led the army to Rome to fight for Papal State, where a French garrison was stationed. In 1870, France withdrew its troops and Papal State were finally joined to Italy. Major events leading to the unification now next day.